Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, it would seem that the Australian dollar bulls are not backing away, and at present now look towards the key level of 73.20. At present, though, it is viewed that the market should retaliate and see the bears return back to this level. With most of the levels now taken out and the market most probably getting slightly long at the top side of the range, I do expect to see a pullback, with the immediate support now seen to the lower case of 72.20.25 and reassess from there. The euro surges overnight and now poses a threat at the level around 117.75. With this level seen roughly around this 55 to 75 region, it is viewed that the market should again retaliate and reject, as we see back here in June, and therefore could see the market fall back to the lower side of the range. At present, coming in at 116.5 to 116.15. A break above 118 would clearly confirm that we have passed this region and may look towards 119.5. But I don't have a strong view at the top side of this range, so if we do break above 118, I'd rather sit neutral for the moment and see where we go from there. The dollar yen is also pushing to the top side of the range at the moment and reaches its target around 112.50.60. In light of the pattern above there, I would actually like to reassess the market. The dollar index is still maintaining a very weak pattern and therefore challenging around 93.50 on the index. I would like to see if we can get a bounce. So at the present, is the market's reached its target and time to reassess. Sterling rallies on overnight and now, once clearing this level above 132 with this doji out the way, looks towards the region of 133. At present, the trend is strong and the MACD is also supporting this move, but we could get any type of Brexit news would send the market down. So it's very difficult to trade at this present stage, even though the bulls are very much looking to see a further higher challenge. But at present, from the break above the 132 into 133 is most probably seen as overbought and could see a retaliation from the bears. At present, the gold isn't really going anywhere and still sideways, but did find a little bit of momentum overnight as the weaker dollar comes back into play. It is viewed that the market should find a cap around 1,212. I expect to see, like before, a rejection. But you can see these days are very small ranges. Therefore, I'm not overly bullish at this top side of the range. And rounding off with oil, well, the market once again rejects that level of $71 a barrel and now struggling to maintain any kind of grip. Overnight, Trump did have a bit of a tweet at the OPEC and saying that he feels that they're still playing monopoly with the oil price. So with that, we could see further pressure to the downside and could see a move back to that trigger level, which is at $67 a barrel, which I favour in due of the rejection from 71. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day and a great start to the new weekend.